Hello friends, good morning. I have come to your screen with a short tutorial video and I believe this video will be very useful for those of us who experience some difficulties while joining an online live quiz contest. Today, in this tutorial video, I am talking about the procedure of joining the online quiz contest. Actually, there is a website which helps us to manage learning system and allows us to create quizzes from different areas and also permits us to invite students to join the quiz. So, before I proceed, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon on the right hand side. Now I'm going to share how to join the online quiz contest. To know the complete procedure, please stay with me till the video ends. So friends, let's start it. First of all, be sure that your device has a browser and that browser may be Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Opera, UC browser, or whatever you have. Actually, every smartphone or PC has at least Chrome or Mozilla Firefox because most of the people they use either of them. In my PC, I have Chrome browser. There it is. Just look at the cursor. Okay, let's open it. Now here in the address box, you can see. Okay, here in the address box, let's type www.join joinmyquiz.com. I mean www.joinmyquiz.com. Now press the enter key. Yes, it's on now. Look at here. It says enter a game code. It means it asks for a game code, which you don't have right now because you are trying to join this online quiz as a contestant. So how do you get it then? Don't worry. You'll be provided with a game code of 6 digits by the moderator who controls it. But remember, unless you get the game code, you can't play the game. So you will receive the code either via email or the SMS or the other means that you have given to the moderator. For the game code, you need to check out your email or SMS. Once you receive the code of 6 digits, enter it here. As I have one game code, and that is 964. Okay, I have entered the game code. Okay, now before clicking on this join button, I want to take you to this corner. Look at the top right corner. Here are 3 lines you can see, which is called hamburger menu. Let's click it. Okay, now here's setting. Again, click on it. Okay, here you have game setting. Now here is one background music. I have switched it off because if you switch it on like this, then when game starts, the music goes on in the background, perhaps which may be disturbing. Okay, as it is disturbing for me, so I want it to be switched off. Sound effect. Let's switch it on because when you answer incorrectly, then it gives us sound notification, or when we answer correctly, again it gives us sound notification. So it is a good thing, I think. Another, show memes. Again, I have kept it in off mode. You can also keep it in off mode because if you on it like that, then again after each question you'll find some pictures on your screen which may be disturbing perhaps. So let's keep it off as well. And read aloud this option. If you switch it on, then your every question along with options will be read out by the system. And it is useful for those who do not like to read on their own. But I want it again in off mode. Okay. Now again, let's go back here. You can go back. Yes. So here, let's type the same game code. 964 764 that I have got. And now I'm just clicking on this join. Okay. Okay. Yes, it's going on. Yes. Now you see. It asks for the name. Enter your name. Yes. So now here you have to put your real name here that you have mentioned in your registration form or that you have provided to your moderator. Okay. So just I'm typing my name. Okay. Amit K-A-R-N. Amit Karan. Okay. Now you see, before clicking on this start button, you see, look at this game setting, the same setting that we set up in the last page there. Now, let's press this start button. Yes. Now it's all done. You are in as I'm in here. Yes, my name is here on the screen and it shows one participant has joined. Now, the game hasn't been started by the moderator. So the moderator who gave me that code. So now the moderator will start the game and let's see how it goes there. You see, countdown starts. Yes, the question. My baby at 9 o'clock at night. So now 4 options we have. Let's click on the right option. But be sure, you can notice here, one horizontal line is decreasing. So this is timer, the time which has been set for this question. So before this goes off or ends, let's click it. Okay. Yes, this is how we are to play this game. And then this is how questions go appearing on your screen. And when you are done, then you can end the game or the moderator will end the game there. Yes, you see the game in there. If moderator has ended the game, you can see your rank or everything here. That's all. Hope this video must have helped you. Even if you have any problems to join the game, please drop your query in the comment box below. Thank you. See you in the game. Till then, bye-bye.